Dear students, today we are discussing most interesting topic of the semiconductor devices, that is Zener diode. In the right side you can see the symbol of the Zener diode where IZ represents the Zener current, VZ represents the Zener voltage and VA/VB represents the voltage across the Zener diode. Basically, Zener diode works as a voltage regulator when it operates in reverse bias. Zener voltage is the breakdown voltage at which the diode becomes conducting. Here conducting means when current is flowing through the Zener diode. If the potential difference across the Zener diode is less than the breakdown voltage, then the diode acts as an insulator and current through the diode should be 0. Means if VA minus VB less than VZ, then in this situation Zener diode acts as an open circuit and current through the Zener diode should be 0. Here you can see the Zener diode circuit and current is flowing in all the branches. Now our question is to find out the current in each branches. So to calculate current in each branch, first you need to calculate voltage across the Zener diode. So in the next slide we will see how we can calculate voltage across the Zener diode. So to calculate voltage across the Zener diode, first we will assume there is no Zener diode is present and we will calculate voltage across the Zener diode. In this situation, by using Kirchhoff's law, we are getting voltage across the Zener diode, that is V0 into R2 divided by R1 plus R2. Now we will compare this voltage with breakdown voltage of the Zener diode. Then there will be two cases. Either this voltage will be less than the breakdown voltage or it will be greater than the breakdown voltage of the Zener diode. We will discuss about these two cases in the next slide. Here in this case we are taking voltage across the Zener diode is less than the breakdown voltage. In this situation, Zener diode works as an open circuit and current flowing through this diode will be 0, that is IZ is equal to 0 and current I1 equal to I2 which is equal to V0 divided by R1 plus R2. So for example, if we are taking these numerical values and comparing with Zener breakdown voltage, then it comes out to be 6 volt, which is less than the breakdown voltage of the Zener diode. In the second case, we are taking voltage across the Zener diode is greater than the breakdown voltage. Then in this situation, Zener diode behaves as a voltage regulator and there is a constant voltage will be present, that is Vz. Now these two branches are connected in parallel, hence voltage across R2 is Vz and current across this resistance will be Vz divided by R2. And when we calculate current I1, then we will get I1 is equal to V0 minus Vz divided by R1. And by Kirchhoff's law, we will get current across the Zener diode will be I1 minus I2. Now, for example, if we are taking these numerical values and comparing with Zener breakdown voltage, then it comes out to be 16 volt, which is more than the breakdown voltage of the Zener diode. Thank you.